इसमें से लेना है ना सर?
चालू झालं. See, this is stomach. Stomach part has a blind sac here. This is a blind sac. So that demarcates the stomach as cardiac, and then here it is a pyloric stomach short. And then as it goes further, you can call it as ileum. And the enlarged part of ileum is known as valvular ileum. So we can cut this portion for scroll wall, broadest part.
ठीक है ना तो जरा.
ठीक है. So this is what the wall ileum is there. Little excretory part may be there. You have
Scroll.
So we can keep this in a watch glass and cut it open on one side to reveal the scroll wall. So here once you open, you will find a scroll wall inside. This is scroll wall. So we can open this scroll wall like that.
Okay.
That's why it is known as scroll wall. Like this.
So
it is scrolled inside. This way. Scroll wall. And this is the external wall of intestine. This is external wall of intestine. This is scroll wall proper. Because it is not as clear as I have explained. So fold is there.
Which part, sir?
Here I am just taking horizontal cut, okay, on the intestine. Okay. Oh, I should have been cut in single shot. No, scissor is not out. Okay, सब खीमा हो गया. So this has water. It will float properly. And we can see folds like that. They are
coil
inside. Yeah, coil-like structure.
Scroll-like. Yeah.
Coil-like.
This is coil.
So here